Hello, this is Dr. Ajay Kamble, homeopathic practitioner in the Nagpur. Today I am going to share something about the chamomilla. In the chamomilla, you might have seen that the irritability, snappishness, intolerance of the pains requires demand instant relief. But one of the case I have treated in which I want to give importance to one of the another symptoms which is given in the Boger synoptic key, where it is written beside himself or the prostration by the pain. Prostration by the pain. One thing is written here, prostrated by the pain in the Boger synaptic key. What does it mean? In one of my case, I have seen there was the pain in the toothache was there, in which there had the slightest motion aggravations, and on that basis I first had selected the Bryonia, but it was not specific and it doesn't give us that much relief. And up to the evening, it was in the morning, and up to the evening I have found that severe irritability, even irritability to her daughters, she is very much irritable, and it shows that it is the indication of the chamomilla. But with that, there was another indication, that was due to this pain, ये दर्द के कारण, due to this pain she has been so much prostrated, इतना थकवा आ गया दर्द सहन करते करते कि she was even unable to hold the glass glass of water in her hand, that much prostration. So I thought it should be confirmed. So I found it in the Boger synoptic key. It is written beside himself, a prostration by the pain. Means इतना चिड़चिड़ाहट, इतनी इरिटेबिलिटी ऑफ द नर्वस सिस्टम, साथ साथ पेन, और पेन की वजह से इतना थकवा कि वो हाथ में कुछ पकड़ भी नहीं पा रही, इतना ज़्यादा थकावट आ जाती है नर्वस इरिटेबिलिटी की वजह से, पेन की वजह से. दैट इज़ also there in the chamomilla. Another thing, if you want to see in the chamomilla what is written in the Boger synoptic key, it is indicated in the Boger synoptic key. They shows the first, the affection, where the mind, nerves, emotions, mucous membrane, digestive tract, liver, women's and the children's. So it is here written, and the bold women's and the capital children, means women's और children में इसका बहुत ज़्यादा एक्शन है. It is mostly affected in the left side. What are the aggravating factors? The anger. The most aggravating factor is the anger. Night, dentition. Most specifically in the dentition period of the children. If they are become irritable, बहुत ज़्यादा चिड़चिड़ाहट आने लगती है, जैसे ही दांत आने लगते हैं बच्चों को, काटने दौड़ने लग जाते हैं, इतना चिड़चिड़ाहट. And that is the chamomilla. Cold air, damp air, विंड, टेकिंग कोल्ड, कॉफ़ी की वजह से तकलीफ होती है तो कैमोमिला. कॉफ़ी, नारकोटिक्स, अल्कोहल, नारकोटिक्स की वजह से, अल्कोहल की वजह से. नारकोटिक्स मीन्स द काइंड ऑफ नारकोटिक सब्सटेंसेस इफ एनीवन इज बीइंग कंज्यूम and the irritable state of the mind with the prostration it produces, that is the chamomilla. If it is produced due to the alcohol even, then it is a chamomilla. And better by being carried. कैमोमिला के बच्चों को लेके साथ पास में लेके घूमना पड़ता है, दैट इज बीइंग कैरीड. माइल्ड वेदर, हीट, स्वेटिंग एंड कोल्ड एप्लीकेशन से उसको अच्छा लगता है, ठंडा लगाओ तो अच्छा लगता है. अनदर थिंग व्हाट इज रिटन, बैड टेम्पर, इरेटिक, फ्रैंटिक इरिटेबिलिटी, स्नैपिश, इंटॉलरेंस ऑफ पेन, मैड ड्यूरिंग द पेन, पागल हो जाते हैं दर्द के कारण. दैट इज़ द थिंग, मैड ड्यूरिंग द पेन. मैग्नीफाइज हर पेन, मतलब हो रहा है इतना सा, छोटे से दांत के दर्द की चीज़ को इतना बड़ा चढ़ा के ये कर देंगे कि पागल हो जाए. अनप्लीजेबल क्रॉसनेस, क्रॉस मतलब कोई चीज़ सहन नहीं करेगा, उसको आप बोलने जाओ, शी विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट. अनप्लीजेबल क्रॉसनेस, ओवर सेंसिटिवनेस, the oversensitiveness of the nervous system, oversensitiveness of the nerves. Bruises about, cries out, walk on the floors, demand instant relief. That is most essential. Demand instant. अभी मुझे ठीक कर दो, अभी मुझे ठीक कर दो. This is the important characteristic symptom of the chamomilla. Beside herself or prostrated by pain. Another, repeated spasm of the face and the arms, the legs, ugly, cross, uncivil, quarrelsome, झगड़ालू, cross, thick yellow white fur on the tongue, thick yellow white fur on the tongue, you will find it. Erection like bad eggs, distended bowel, colic going upward in cases of the abdominal complaint. Asthma aggravated by dry weather. Another thing which is written in the what Boger synoptic is the asthma aggravated in the dry weather. Generally, the dry weather gives relief. Damp weather mostly aggravates. Asthma aggravated in the dry weather. Jaundice, dry palms, sleepy, disturbed by pain, starting. हॉट कोराइजा हॉट स्टूल मीन्स तो सर्दी जो बहेगी वो भी गर्म रहेगी एंड द स्टूल विच इज विल कम आउट दैट विल बी आल्सो हॉट. Feverish, suppressed discharges, sweat on the head and sleepless from the abuse of narcotics. मतलब नारकोटिक्स का सेवन कर रहे हैं और उस कारण से अगर स्लीपलेसनेस डेवलप हुई है, स्पेसिफिकली इट इज़ ओपियम और अदर नारकोटिक ड्रग्स, देन द रेमेडी इज द कैमोमिला. It is complementary to the magnesia carb. The magnesia carb, you can find it very similar to it. Sanicula, related Naxomica, Staphysagra. Its antidote is Ignatia Naxomica pulsatilla. This is written in the Boger synoptic key with one of the experience I have been shared. It is the understanding of the chamomilla. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel, share it, like it.